Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how Apple TV works in my F80 BMW F3. That's right, you heard it right. Bryan over at Keys Motorsports was kind enough to do this installation for me. So let's go over the reasons why I installed Apple TV in my car. First and foremost, it allows for screen mirroring. So if you do not have Apple Play, or you want to view any other apps on your big screen as opposed to seeing them on your phone while driving, you can do that. Two, I feel like I'm going to be using it at the track. When I go to the track, I put my phone here and I have sort of the sport displays here. So instead of having it here, it's going to be very easy for me to have it right there and see exactly what's happening. And three, which is the coolest thing, is, check this out. You have this remote. So your car now comes with this Apple TV remote. So let me show you how to use it, and it's actually pretty straightforward. So two ways you can start it with the car. You can hold the menu button for a couple of seconds, or you can set one of the shortcuts. For me, I set it up to number 7. Keep in mind, before that happens, if you want your Apple TV to be connected to the web, you have to somehow do it. If you're at home, it could be connected to your home Wi-Fi, but if you're away from home, if you're on the road, it's as simple as setting up a personal hotspot on your phone and connecting it to your Apple TV. Once you do that, you're always connected on the go. So to set it up, you hold the menu button. I'm holding it, and there you go, and it starts right there. And just to show you that the shortcuts do work, see, 7 works as well. Now, another thing is, if you want sound to be enabled, you've got to be sure you are in the aux mode, and we are in that. There are two ways I'm going to be using it. I'm going to be using it using the remote, and I'm also going to be screen mirroring from my phone. Let me start off with the remote. So when you turn on Apple TV, you have this menu, and for anyone who uses Apple TV, this should be no different. You've got TV, you've got your App Store, you can install all kinds of apps. Pretty much most of the apps and games you get on your phone, you can have here. So you can actually play games in your car. You can watch TV shows, you can have pictures. These are some of my pictures that I have uploaded to iCloud. You can have your music, you can have podcasts, and then you can have YouTube. So let's see how, for example, YouTube works. And this is just an example of how applications do work on this device. So there you have it. So this is YouTube. Let's see who has recently uploaded something. Let's see. Wait, who's this? I put an Apple TV in my BMW. Huge improvement. Talk about timing. 2 minutes ago, Justin Bice. I put an Apple TV in my BMW. That's awesome. So let's see. I like this guy. This guy's pretty cool.
Sports. If you haven't done so already, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and check us out at Keys Motorsports.
All right, so you get the idea. So this is just one of the apps, and all kinds of apps work the same way. So pick your app and you can run it as you please. So now we're going to put the remote away. We're going to put it back in this little storage compartment here. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to show you this other cool function. I'm going to show you how I screen mirror my phone. So basically, you go to screen mirroring, select Apple TV, and bam, just like that. Whatever is on your phone, you can see on your car's screen. You flip it sideways. Oh, sorry. You flip it sideways, and you should fit sideways as well. So for example, we go to my travel section. You can use Waze, you can use Google Maps. So for example, Waze, bam. Now we have Waze in your car actually. And both the location works, the sound works, the mirroring works. So what I'm gonna do is I would just put it here, and actually for horizontal viewing, I have this enabled. So I keep it down here, so instead of me looking down, I can just simply drive and look at Waze on this screen. Pretty awesome. Another sort of good use that I'm gonna utilize is race Chronos. So when I'm at the track, I flip the phone sideways. These are the vitals, and bam, I've got my, hold on. let's select this track, whatever that is. You've got your speed info, you've got your best lap, your previous lap, and it's right in front of you. So as you're driving, you can just see how well you did at the previous lap, and you can chase your best time. Pretty awesome. And then one of the other coolest options. All right, so let's disable screen mirroring. Bam, stop mirroring. And once you stop, it brings you back to the main menu. After you get out of the main menu and get out of YouTube, you can just hit back. This is also one of the coolest options. Check it out. Look at this awesome screensaver. So if you don't want to use BMW stock screensaver, this is your high definition cityscape screensaver. I don't know what city that is, but it looks pretty cool. If you get tired of the screensaver, all you have to do is just press the menu button and it takes you right back to the iDrive. Pretty awesome. So that's pretty much it. I wanted to thank Bryan from Keys Motorsports from installing this gadget for me. I never knew I needed it until he told me about it, and now I find it really cool. And if you are interested in having this installed, hit him up, or I'm gonna link his contact in the description below. And again, I'm very happy with this. It's not something that I'm gonna be using every single day, but I'm gonna be using when I need it the most, which is at the track, or when I'm actually on the highway trying to use Waze. Also when I'm trying to wow some people by showing them this cool remote control in my car. So anyways, let me know what you think about this down in the comments below, and thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.